Hi guys, I'm Michelle Peterson. I am a fourth grade teacher. I've been on the Fort Riley military base in Junction City, Kansas now for 3 years. Prior to that, I was a long-term sub for an entire year for different teachers, maternity leaves and things in Abilene, Kansas. I currently live in Abilene, Kansas. Have been here for over 5 years now. Grew up in a small town in Nebraska. I moved here when I got married. Been married for going on 4 years now. My husband and I have a little boy, Brody. He's 18 months old now. I am gaining a master's degree in instructional technology, so I'm really excited about this course. I know we have never used Google Classroom before, but our school uses what's called Schoology, and it's much like Google Classroom from what I've heard. I'm just looking forward to learning all sorts of different things from everyone that's going to be taking this course. I'm currently taking 9 credit hours, so on top of everything we've going on teaching-wise, this is going to be quite the load, I guess. I love being outdoors, very, very athletic. Love doing all sorts of sports and things like that. So I look forward to learning from you guys and continuing to grow as I continue to pursue this degree.